I'm Rosalind Young, I'm a barrister here at Farrar's building, and I'm going to give you a very brief introduction to the insurance work we do here in Chambers. Now, the barristers at Farrar's building cover a huge range of work, or insurance work here. They have extensive expertise and experience in all types of liability insurance work. We do, of course, cover a lot of motor insurance work. It brings in quite a bulk of work here in Chambers, and just to give a flavour of the types of subcategories within motor insurance work, we do of course deal with issues relating to the MIB, the untraced drivers agreements, Section 152 declarations, Article 75 insurers. We cover the full range of motor insurance work, and every member within our practice team will be instructed on a weekly, if not a daily basis, covering these particular topics that I've just listed. One example that is recent and is ongoing that a senior member of Chamber is dealing with at the moment is whether an insurance policy could be avoided due to material non-disclosure and material misrepresentation. So we deal with the full spectrum, but of course we're not just confined to motor insurance work. We also deal with a lot of other insurance work, and one other category of insurance work we do is permanent health and critical illness insurance work. A number of members have dealt with policy wording, the construction of policies, and disputes arising as to whether the conditions for a payout have been made. Now, we also, of course, deal with insurance relating to property damage, and a number of members have dealt with issues relating to the escape of fire, the escape of water, flooding, and of course vehicle damage. And we are instructed, again, as I said, on a weekly, if not a daily basis on these matters, and that might be within the context of negligence and nuisance and making that out, but also on other topics such as the remoteness of damage. Of course, we deal with a huge range of other commercial and consumer contracts in the context of insurance. We deal with defective products, we deal with professional indemnity insurance, and of course defective works. And so what can we help you with? Well, we can help you with anything that's related to liability insurance, and that might be a matter arising out of breach of warranties, it might be fraud, it might be policy wording, it might be matters arising out of contribution and subrogation, or simply the basis for recovery. And we will, of course, offer early advice. We are there at every stage throughout the litigation, whether it's drafting pleadings, at trial, of course, and with mediation and settlements. We act for a number of clients, policyholders, third-party claimants, and of course all the major insurers. And our experience in personal injury, clinical negligence and professional negligence all play a huge role in what we're able to offer under the insurance practice, because of course they all tie in together, and we're able to offer assistance at every level because of our expertise in all those other areas as well. And it's worth saying that our advocates appear in court every day across the country in all tiers and levels of courts and tribunals, and the service we offer is always reliable, it's pragmatic and very user-friendly.